Welcome to Yessaar Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the creative world of photo manipulation using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, I'll guide you through 6 easy and powerful steps to transform your images like a pro. So grab your photos, open up Photoshop, and let's start mastering photo manipulation step by step. Step 1. Create a new file. To begin, go to the File menu and select New or press Ctrl+N on your keyboard. In the Name field, enter your desired file name. Set the document type to Custom. Then enter the following settings: width 1920 pixels, height 1080 pixels, resolution 300 pixels per inch, color mode RGB. Finally, click OK to create the new file. Step 2. Create a background. To add a background, go to the File menu and select Place Embedded. Choose your image and click Place. The image download link is available in the description. Once the image appears on your artboard, rename the layer to Background in the Layers panel. Then, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard to transform the image. Resize and position it so that it completely covers the artboard. Step 3. Create a subject. To add the subject images, go to the File menu and select Place Embedded. Choose the mobile image and click Place. Once placed on the artboard, rename the layer to Mobile in the Layers panel. Press Ctrl+T to transform. Then resize and position the image as needed. Place the first running image. Again, go to File, Place Embedded. Select the first running image and click Place. Use Ctrl+T to resize and position it appropriately. Rename this layer to Running Image 1 in the Layers panel. Move the Running Image 1 layer below the mobile layer by choosing Send to Back. Duplicate and prepare the second running image. Duplicate the Running Image 1 layer and rename the duplicate to Running Image 2. Hide the mobile layer by clicking the eye icon in the Layers panel. Make a selection of the subject. Select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. In the Mode drop-down on the control bar, choose Lasso tool. Draw a selection around the subject in Running Image 2. Refine the selection using the Quick Selection tool if needed. Then, add a layer mask to isolate the subject. Mask the area outside the mobile. Go to the Layers panel, select Running Image 1 and mask the area outside the mobile screen to create a cutout effect. Step 4. Create a shadow. Create a new layer from the Layers panel. Select the brush tool from the toolbar and choose the soft round brush from the options in the control bar. Set the foreground color to black, then paint the shadow where needed and adjust its size and opacity as required. Step 5. Add text. Select the text tool from the toolbar, then click on the artboard and type your desired text. Adjust the font, size and color as needed. And align the text properly within your design. Step 6. Finalize your design. Go to the Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, then click on Color Lookup. In the first drop-down field, choose a suitable color preset to enhance the overall look of your design. Go to the Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, then click on Levels. Adjust the sliders or input values to enhance the brightness, contrast, and overall tone of your design. Your design is now complete. Go ahead and save your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. Have questions or ideas for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.